2026's Best Affordable OKR Software for Startups. Finding the right OKR software shouldn't feel harder than building your startup. Here are 5 affordable tools that help teams stay focused, aligned, and accountable without breaking the budget. Many OKR tools promise everything, but startups need something simple, affordable, and easy to adopt. The right platform keeps everyone aligned without creating extra work. Here's a quick overview of the best affordable OKR software for startups in 2027. Number 1. Synergita. Best for founders and small teams testing OKRs. Free forever for up to 3 users. Cascading OKRs from company to individual goals. Ready-made OKR templates. Alignment dashboard and progress tracking. Pros. An affordable and competitive pricing plan. Create high-impact OKRs in seconds with AI-powered OKR Pilot. One-day setup. Faster adoption and user-friendly. Integrations with tools like Microsoft Teams, Jira, and Slack for better collaboration. Access to 50-plus OKR templates designed for teams, departments, and individuals. Cons. No multi-language support yet. Limited offline functionality requires internet access. Number 2. Weekdone. Best for startups that rely on weekly planning and regular check-ins. Weekly OKR updates. KPI tracking. Company-wide goal hierarchy. Progress reports. Pros. Keeps teams consistently engaged. Easy onboarding. Strong alignment visibility. Cons. Higher pricing for growing teams. Less suitable for complex organizational structures. Number 3. Profit.co. Ideal for startups that want to connect daily work directly to business goals. Task management integrated with OKRs. KPI dashboards. Department-specific templates. Performance reporting. Pros. Connects strategy with execution. Flexible for different teams. Excellent reporting capabilities. Cons. Can feel overwhelming for small teams. Requires some initial training. Number 4. Purdue. A great choice for startups that want visual strategy and goal alignment. Strategy maps. Public OKRs. KPI tracking. Custom dashboards. Pros. Excellent visualization. Affordable pricing. Easy company-wide transparency. Cons. Limited collaboration features. No built-in performance management. Number 5. Tability. Perfect for startups looking to use AI to simplify OKR planning. AI-assisted OKR creation. Weekly check-ins. Custom dashboards. Flexible strategy mapping. Pros. Faster OKR creation. Lightweight and easy to use. Great for agile teams. Cons. Limited reporting depth. Maybe too simple for larger organizations. Choosing the right OKR software isn't about finding the platform with the longest feature list. It's about selecting a tool your team will actually use every week. Early-stage startups need software that is simple, affordable, and easy to implement without adding unnecessary administrative work. When evaluating OKR software, look for these essential features. Simple onboarding and user-friendly interface. Clear goal alignment across teams. Easy progress, tracking, and reporting. Affordable pricing that fits your budget. Scalability as your startup grows. The right OKR platform helps your team stay aligned, execute faster, and build a stronger foundation for long-term growth.